Hello students, welcome to Uday Education Foundation Maharashtra. I am Sumedha and today we are learning for standard 7th for English subject and our topic name is vocabulary. Okay students, now pay attention over here. See, what is vocabulary? Vocabulary means writing words using given clues. Okay, if I give a clue that you have to write a word about that. Okay. Now see, we will take one by one. See, pay attention here. What does mean by? For students are given clues or definitions and they must write the correct vocabulary word that matches each clue. Vocabulary means what? A set of words or set of sentence. Right. See, if I say vocabulary, vocabulary means what? A set of word, and from that what we make sentences, right? If you don't know the proper word, can you make the sentence, or are you able to write, or are you able to read? No. First is important to know you about the vocabulary. Now see, vocabulary is regarding writing and reading. Okay, the words maybe in a different language, that will be English, Hindi, Marathi. Okay, if you don't know the word, are you able to write? Are you able to write? No. So what is, while writing and reading, what is the important for us? That is a vocabulary. Okay. Now see students, we will take a example. That is what match the clue. See, if I am teaching you and you are listening, right? But if I don't make any kind of a difference while teaching, are you able to understand, or are you interested to listen that? No. Automatically you will get bored. So that's why which technique we have learning now? That technique name is word using given clue. Okay, this is like a game also, you can say, right? We will take a game also, okay, afterwards. Now see, why we need to learn the vocabulary. What is the purpose behind that? See, if I am teaching you, but you don't know why this is important for you students, will you listen, or will you able to understand? No. So, what is our purpose? To improve vocabulary. Vocabulary means what, students? Your writing skill, your reading skill. Okay. See, if your vocabulary is perfect, so you will be able to understand what I am teaching, or what are the exact meaning of words. Okay. So, this is also important to practice spelling and usage in context. Okay. Now context is something different concept, we will learn afterwards, or maybe you know also about that. In a previous lecture we have taken that practice spelling and usage. Usage means what to use, practice spelling. If I am giving you continuously clues or giving an idea about the topic, so what will be happen, your practice will be done very nicely. Now see students, we will take an exercise, that will be instruction. See now, what is the instruction? Write the correct vocabulary word for each clue. Now see, what clue I have given here? A clue is a place where books are kept. Do we keeps a book in a bookshelf? Definitely we keep. But what is the correct answer? Or do we keep in a school? Yeah, or in a bag? But exact is what? A place where books are kept. Is a bag a place? A bookshare is a place? Or a school is a place? School is a place, right? But is that exact place? Your books are kept? No. What is that exact word? That is library. Understood? This way. Now see, clue. That is another one. That is what? To look at something quickly. That is what? Glance. 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 Another is the opposite of soft. If some material is soft, what will be the opposite? That is hard, right? A feeling of happiness. See, if I say I'm feeling so happy, means what? I'm enjoying that moment. See, I'm happy while I'm teaching you, right? So, what is that? That is joy. Okay, a person who teaches in school, a person who teaches you in a school. Who is that person? That person is teacher. Okay, now next we'll take a things used to cut paper. A things used to cut paper. What we used while cutting? Scissor. What is that? Scissors. Okay. A room where food is prepared. Where your food is prepared at home, that place is kitchen. Okay. Now see, next a clue is a tall structure to live or work in. See, when we go outside, what we see? A huge, a tall buildings, right? So, see, are you understanding what I am teaching? You are getting what is the clue and what is the answer? Right. Anyone have any doubt? You can ask. Okay. A man who acts in film. Yeah, when we watch a film, what is that person is called? Actor, actress. Right. For a man, we will call a actress. For a woman, we called as a actresses. Right. A man who is an that is actor. And for women, we call actress. Right. A job of healing sick people. See, when you feel sick, where you go? You visit to doctor, right? So that person name is doctor. Now see, next is the opposite of Oli. What is opposite of Oli? Is it late, slow, coming, and what will be the answer? Answer will be late. Okay, a baby cat. A baby cat. What we call a baby for of a cat? It we call a small cat? No, we call it as a kitten. So our answer is kitten. A soft drink with bubbles. A soft drink with bubbles. That is what? Soda. Right? Have you drink this? Yes. You enjoy that in the nearby park. What is that? That is soda. A bird that cannot fly but swims. Penguin. Penguin is a bird, but he cannot fly, but he can swim in the water. Okay, where we found that? Near in a place where is a snowfall. Right? See, a popular fruit with yellow skin. A popular fruit with yellow skin. Skin of that fruit is yellow. So what is the answer? Answer is banana. What will be the answer? Answer is banana. Okay. A long journey by sea, voyage, okay, or ship. Okay. A building where people learn. Where you learn? At home? Yes, definitely learn. But the proper answer is school. Okay. A shape with four equal sides. A shape with four equal sides. What will be the answer? Answer is square. See, four equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. All are equal. So what is this? This is square. Okay. Understood? This way you have to solve. Now next is a clue. Okay. A bag carried on the back. That is backpack. Okay. And the season after summer, that is autumn. Okay, the outer part of a tree, that is bark, bark, bark. A place where aeroplanes land, airport, right? Where the aeroplane is land, that place is called airport. Now see, a clue, an animal that gives a wool. Everyone know the wool? Yes, as similar as cotton. Yes, that is which animal has given that? That animal name is sheep. Okay, a frozen sweet tree. A frozen sweet treat. That treat may be a ice cream, right? Now see, we have taken this clue and the options with it. Now see students, see, from this we have taken the example. Anyone have doubt about the words? What is the meaning of exact word or place? I will tell you the meaning also. Okay. Now we have read first and now I am explaining you. So please pay attention over here. We are explaining part. Okay. Now listen carefully. The place where books are kept. That place is library. Why library? Why library students? Because there are plenty of books. Okay. So that's why the answer is library. Next is to look at something quickly. That is glance. Lens or glance. Means what? See, that glass, everyone know magnifying glass? That is called glance. Okay. The opposite of soft. See, if I say this is a soft material, but if I touch, see, this is something hard material. So what is this? This is hard. And if I touch to my dupatta, this is soft material. Okay. So this way you can differentiate while touching. Okay. If you say sponge, sponge is also soft. And if you touch to the blackboard, that is hard, right? Now see students, we will take a next part. What is this happening? 1 second. Yes. Now see, a clue is what? A feeling of happiness. See, what I say before, a feeling of happiness means what? Yes, you get excited. You are in a very good mood. That is what? That is a happiness. Okay. And that a similar word. What we have to find? We have to find a similar word. That similar word is joy. That is joy. Okay. Now see, a person who teaches in a school. Which person is or which what will we say? See, a person who teach in the school means what? Yes, that is an explaining you something in detail. That tells you about the subject knowledge. That person is called teacher. Okay. Now next tip for students. Read the clue carefully. Think of words you know that match and meaning. Clue. Now check spelling. Practice with a dictionary if needed. Okay. Now see, this used to cut paper. That is what? While using to cut, what is that material used? That called as scissor. Okay. And a room where food is prepared. A room where food is prepared. That place is called kitchen. Okay. Now see next is A clue, a tall structure to live or work in. See, a tall structure. Okay, building a tall. So, what will be the answer? Building. A vehicle that flies. The vehicle that flies. Aeroplane is a correct answer. Okay, so we will write aeroplane. A man who acts in film, that person called as a actor or actress. Okay, everyone know about the actor and actress. Everyone watch the movies. Which is one is your favorite movie? Which one? In the latest, which movie is your favorite? Students? Yes, that you can imagine in your mind and you can see which is your favorite actor. The actor means what? A favorite hero. And for female, that will be a favorite heroine. Right? Now see, a job of healing sick people. See, that person is called doctor. The doctor is a person is to heal us if we are sick. Okay. Now see, the opposite of early. What is opposite of early? That is late. 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 Okay. Now see, a baby cat. What is that called? Do we call as a small cat or we can say a baby cat? No. What is the correct answer? Answer is kitten. Okay. What is the spelling of kitten? Kitten. Kitten. A soft drinking with bubbles. A soft drink with bubbles. That is soda. Okay. A bird that cannot fly but swim. That bird cannot fly. Have you seen penguins flying in the sky? No, he walk on the land and he can swim. Okay, that is a different part of a bird. Now see, a popular fruit with yellow skin. Everyone know the bananas? Yes. A long journey by sea. That is log. Logage means what? Logage means what? Also a ship or boat. SHEEP ship means different. SHEAP ship is different. Okay. Now see, a building where people learn. That building is called school. Very good students. A shape with four equal sides. That is square. I have drawn the. See, over here I will draw over in a perfect way. Just a second. Okay. This is what? Four sides are equal. So what will be the answer? Answer is SQUARE. Square. Okay. Now, next is what? A bag carried on the back. That is backpack. Okay. Or you can say backpack or bag. Okay. What will be the answer? It will be a bag. Okay. The season after summer. That is AUTUMA. Autumn. Summer. Winter. That is winter. Okay. The outer part of a tree. That is bark. What is that? Part is called a bark. Okay. A place where aeroplane land. Okay, which is that place? That place is airport. Okay. Now see, an animal that gives wool. See, that word is sheep. Sheep. Okay. A frozen sweet treat. That is ice cream. Okay. Now you will know how to guess and how to write. So keep practicing, students. I have explained this twice. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you so much.